Hey friends, it's Wendy and I am here with my unboxing video from this year's 2021 Young Living Virtual Grand Convention. Oh, I am so excited to get this box of goodies. There were so many fantastic new releases at our convention. So I'm just gonna dig right into it. I'm not gonna give you a ton of information about each thing because there's so many things to go through. But you will find on my Facebook page that I did more in-depth on each and every single product. So if you wanna know more about it, you can look there. That's Facebook at the Wendy M. So you'll find me there. So I don't even know where to begin. There's so much stuff. So let's just dig right into our newest convention theme was Rise Above. And after the year we had in 2020, I think that's such great advice to anyone that we can rise above, that we did rise above, and that we can continue to. So this is our brand new blend, opening it for the first time. I think the first thing I pick up on is geranium. I'll have to even go back in my notes and look and see what was in this one, but it's definitely a floral scent. Love it. And then our next oil is One Voice. I don't know if you can see, but I am wearing my One Voice bracelet. This is from the Artisans of Uganda that our foundation helps the women there. And these craftsmen make these bracelets and items and send them to us with love. And it is a diffuser bracelet, so I'll be adding some One Voice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, yeah, we're definitely adding a little bit of One Voice here onto these beads. I always have a hard time just doing a small amount, so I'm gonna smell wonderful. You'll notice this label. I hope you can see it from that distance, how colorful and bright it is. But it's not, if you hear the story of the young woman that was freed from captivity and human trafficking, her colors are very dark. That's what her life represented. But it goes and moves into the light, and the way she feels now and the hope that she's got since being able to come out of bondage. So love this message, love the label, and yes, I love the smell. Okay, so those are the first two oils. I'm gonna move on to a little bit of product because some of these I haven't even undone yet. So here, we're gonna get a 3-piece product, actually 4-piece product set. This is the Luscious Lemon collection. We already had Luscious Lemon foaming hand soap. You get a pumper, and so I guess it's a 5-piece. So we're gonna put the pumper back in the box so I don't spill everything. So Luscious Lemon, and again, like all of our Young Living foaming hand soaps, it's so concentrated that you're gonna be able to make 3 bottles out of this one. Some people will even stretch it to a total of 4. It comes on the wooden tray that's branded for Young Living. It has been wood burned into that. And you also, brand new, is the Young Living Luscious Lemon. And this Luscious Lemon, it's the first time being released. It is so fresh, so bright, and it's going in my diffuser. Oh my goodness. That is such a sunshine smell in a bottle. Truly, truly delicious. And then brand new to us is our Luscious Lemon, and they call it a hand lotion, but it could be used on any part of the body to moisturize. And again, we're looking at something that is so highly, look how thick this stuff is. I can't even get it out of the bottle, it's so thick. But you can definitely take this and you can put a 1/3 of the bottle or a 1/2 of the bottle, depending on how, oh boy, does that go on nice. I had heard that it wasn't greasy. It is absolutely not. It just absorbs and makes your skin feel really supple. So this one, you could take 1/2 of the bottle out and replace it with distilled water or purified water, and then you're going to get 2 bottles out of this one single bottle. Love that our products are all able to be taken and extended like that. All right, so gosh, like I said, there's so much stuff to show you. Part of the new release of our, I want to make sure I call it the right thing, kitchen and bath scrub from Thieves. This one is part of a set that I got with other Thieves products, but this is brand new, limited time only. If this is something you want to try and you want to encourage Young Living to carry, buy it, get it, try it. This is, I don't want to open the whole thing and take time now, but this is using a non-scratch cleanser action. And a lot of us used to make DIY ones. Those that were making DIY said they are absolutely convinced that this is the best thing they've ever used. The nice thing, like everything else with Young Living, there's no chemicals and none of the stuff that we don't want, and all of the good stuff that we do want. So Thieves kitchen and bath scrub, and along with that package, bottle of Thieves household cleaner, 14.4 ounce bottle. You can get up to 30 bottles out of this, and as little as 40 cents if you're making 16 ounce bottles, 78 cents a bottle if you're making 32 ounce bottles. You can't get a bottle of cleaner at the store, any store, not even the Dollar Tree, can you get a bottle of cleaner for under $1. So why are you not using something that's going to work better without chemicals? Oh, I'm still amazed how good my hands feel. Also included in that was a Thieves foaming hand soap refill. If you're still buying all the individual bottles, go for this. It's concentrated. You're going to be able to use 1/4 of a cup in a bottle, fill it with water, and refill it. You can see how many, there's 32 ounces in this. You do the math. There's a lot of refills in here. Use it at every single sink, and you're going to keep your family's hands clean. You're going to prevent them from stripping their antibodies. It's just going to be amazing. You're going to love that stuff. Brand new to us are Thieves hand sanitizing wipes. So that came in this package as well. Can't wait to try these. Okay, then we got a brand new release of a charcoal clay mask. And this is infused with peppermint. Those that have tried it swear that it just invigorates their skin, makes it feel tingly and cool, but it also is going to remove the impurities because it's charcoal. I'll be posting a video onto Facebook so that you can see it in action as it dries. So this is a product that I have been waiting to get my hands on. And along with that came the charcoal bar soap, and also our lavender mint reformulated clarifying shampoo and moisturizing conditioner. These have been member favorites forever, and they've just reformulated them so that it's clearer as to who should use which formulation. So if you use a lot of product in your hair, you get buildup, it's good to have this one on hand because it's going to clarify the hair and the scalp and remove all of that excess. And then you've got these beautiful products to use as you need them. For everyday use, a lot of members are using the lavender shampoo. This is volumizing, so if you tend to have fine hair or you have flyaways, limp, then this might be the exact product for you to use, the volumizing lavender shampoo and conditioner. If you need extra moisture, or if you have color treated hair, Copaiba is the way to go. If you don't remember what I've said on here and you're confused and you don't know which to do, again, my Facebook page has a chart on it, and that's Facebook at the @ the Wendy M. And you'll find the chart of exactly which one you use to get your hair to be its finest. Okay, turmeric, golden turmeric. This is a release from convention. We know turmeric is being touted for all of its medicinal properties and for the benefits that it does for our body. This golden turmeric, I don't think we're going to be able to see it. It's going to be sealed, and I'm having a hard enough time just getting that off. I don't want to try to do this and spill it all over. But The golden turmeric, you just use a spoonful in it. You can put it in milk. Warm milk is the way the Indians serve it when they have this as part of their diet. But the neat thing about this, it's more absorbent than anything else on the market, and yes, we've done the studies to prove it. So if you're looking for a turmeric supplement, this is the way to go. And there's also a ton of recipes available using different essential oils and so forth to just give it additional flavor. I'm trying to remember what they told me the flavor was, and it's a, let's see, what does it say here? It's mango rose. I knew I'd remember it as soon as I started reading. Okay, now I also got in the collection a Haven ceramic diffuser. One can never have enough diffusers. And this one is going to go, it's neutral, it's gonna go in any decor. It's got a lovely crisscross pattern. I don't know if you can see that there. And the Young Living emblem is right here. And it's got a little cap on it. And it's just a simple, you fill it to the fill line and away it goes. Because it's compact, yes, it does use an electrical cord. It's just, I haven't unpacked that yet. Because it's so compact, this one is a great complement to the bathroom because it's a little smaller, or in those small spaces, maybe on a bookcase, some place where maybe your pets are that doesn't need a large diffuser. So love the look of this one, can't wait to start using it. And along with that goes some additional oils. So this is our Divine Destiny collection. I probably should have opened these before I started talking to you guys, but I just got them. I couldn't wait. I was so excited. And our Divine Destiny is in an attractive gift-giving box if you should choose to give it away. And there are 3 oils in here. Ooh la la, I love the gold. I'm gonna have to open it to get them out. There's a protocol that you use with this. And we were told at convention, you don't skip a step. You go through the steps in the process as laid out for you in the book for the way you apply them, the way you layer them, the way you use them, and the intention behind them. So we have Daily Divine, I Am Blessed, and I Am Creative. So I cannot wait to start trying these. I'll be posting more about it, I can promise you. But for now, let's just say I'm gonna have to refer back to my notes and to this to see how I'm using them. We also have our Finica Botanica Farm collection. This is from our farm in Ecuador. And here we go. There are 3 oils in here. This one must slide out. Why am I having a hard time here? Yep, it slides out. Okay. So this one says Nature Distilled Life Enhanced Young Living Farm Collection. Love that. So here's some information about the farm, additional information about the oils that come from that farm, and the ingredients that were chosen to go in here. And this is a 4 oil set, and in this collection, I love that box, isn't that pretty? Grass all around, all the nature all around us. We have Palo Santo, which many of us are familiar with, but it is from the Ecuador farm, so it's part of the collection. We have Ecuadorian Ylang Ylang, and that's very floral, love it. And then we have a new one called Pava Ocotea, Pavaoctea. And then this one is Incan Melissa. Oh yeah, I remember hearing a lot about the Incan Melissa. Melissa is well loved by many of our members, not necessarily the Incan, but for its sleep properties. And I just can't wait to get started trying all of these, as they're beautiful, they're unique, they're new, and I love the simplified labeling on these. Okay, so then I also have in here, this was a free gift for attending convention and placing an order of any size. And this is, I don't want to butcher it, it's a jade Gasha stone tool. It's a massaging stone. It comes with its own little bag, and it comes with its own QR code of how best to use it. They demonstrated it at convention, and everything about this fits into your hand, the cutouts. It fits, it's got grooves to use for different parts of your face, and each part fits right to your face. And they were showing us how to use it. You use it with oils. I'm not gonna pretend that I can use it, but oh boy, is that ever nice and cool feeling on the face. So I'm anxious to start using this with my oils and enjoy the benefits of a free gift. But that's not the only free gift I got. I also received a 15 milliliter bottle of Aroma Seas, a 15 milliliter bottle of Peace and Calming, and a 15 milliliter bottle of Citronella. So many good products to use, and don't want to lose these. Put those babies back in. And I love the packaging from our Uganda bracelet. Included the story of the women that are making these When Women Thrive through the Young Living Foundation. So love that we are supporting women in other countries and men and women of all ages with our foundation work, and that every time you make a purchase of the One Voice, that oil is, Young Living is going to donate 35% of the proceeds back to the foundation. Last year, from our first foundation oil, One Heart, we donated back to the foundations $1.6 million. I love that we're supporting the philanthropic efforts around the world, and we're getting the benefit from this purchase. I love every time I move my arm, I'm getting the smell of that oil. And I wanted to show you really quickly too. Actually, I'm gonna make a separate video because this was getting a little bit long. But I also got in my Essential Rewards. No, I didn't. I already got my Essential Rewards. I haven't posted that one yet either. I just got behind. But I got in a supplemental order, and I got some new things that I want to share with you. But I'll come back and do that later. You guys have a great day. Thanks for joining me. And if you've got any questions about convention products, give me a call, shoot me a text, or go onto my Facebook page at The Wendy M. Thanks. Talk to you soon.